Hello everyone, my name is Annalisa Motor. I'm a nerdy polyglot with varied interests and educational backgrounds, including a master's in psychology. The thread that ties them all together is helping people live fuller, healthier lives, and I'm very excited to be growing my skill set and using software engineering to continue that thread and widen my impact. I chose to build BEEtlyme for those treating Lyme disease to enable them to more easily track symptoms and treatments, and most importantly, to be able to visualize efficacy over time. I wrote the app with my own treatment in mind, which is bee venom therapy, hence the name, but it can be used for any treatment that can be represented numerically. Once logged in, the user is redirected to their profile page, which displays the symptoms and treatments that they are currently tracking, as well as any journal entries. Users can set their own chosen set of symptoms and treatments on the Set page using two autofill boxes based on the database tables of symptoms and treatments, or they can write in their own. On the Track page, the user can input data for a chosen date. Symptoms, treatments, or journal entries can all be submitted individually. Symptoms must be entered on a scale of 0 to 10 for intensity, and treatments can be entered as any numerical value. The most useful feature of this app for me was being able to visualize data over time. So on the graph page, users can choose up to 3 symptoms and 1 treatment to graph. Once a user chooses which options to visualize, a call is made to the server, and database queries retrieve the user's stored data that are repackaged into the proper format. Once relayed, Plotly.js renders this interactive graph. The biggest challenge of the project for me was finding a suitable graphing API. After trying out several, I chose to use Plotly.js because it offered the most complexity combined with flexibility. In order to overlay a treatment over symptoms, I needed to be able to have a second y-axis. Otherwise, the detail of the symptom tracking on a scale of 0 to 10 would be lost if I overlaid a medication that had a dosage of, for example, 500 milligrams. I also chose to automatically graph new moon and full moon dates that coincided with the date range of a user's data because symptoms are often more intense a few days before or after those moon phases. This allows users to account for that when assessing efficacy of their treatment. I will be deploying this app very soon, so if you'd like to learn more, please visit BEEtlyme.com. Thanks so much for watching.